How do you navigate and help prepare people to make transitions in their life to maximize the returns as quickly as possible, minimize the delay between point of stoppage and point of growth and progress again?
The hardest one to analyze, quite frankly, is the business owner that is doing a certain role or not happy with where they're at. Like, that one is hard because there's seasons of business that are shitty no matter what. You may run into a business owner and they may be burnt out or just have no capacity for doing what they're doing anymore. And the knee-jerk reaction is not to burn the business down or sell the thing. So even if that's what they tell you they want to do, you have to get back to the why and peel it layers back on what they're looking for. Because like I always say, you can't jump to the next thing without being very deliberate in what you're doing, because you'll just build yourself the same scenario again, or build yourself a cage.